Now we want to start the fertilizer application on the field. We are going to apply fertilizer, we are going to weed, we are going to repeat the mulch. That's what we are doing today. So follow us as we continue the work, and you'll be happy you did, so that you will learn all those routine maintenance in ginger for you to be able to get the bountiful harvest. Without following these steps, it will be difficult for you to say that you didn't get the 39 tons that we promised you. Once you do what we have shown you, you are sure of getting between 25 to 39 tons per hectare.
Yes, as I said earlier,
No, we are asking every move here
field
now.
workers are here. They have
Okay.
brought
Okay.
the fertilizer. We are going to apply NPK fertilizer. Yes, we are applying 20, 10, 10. Because we have looked that this area is lacking nitrogen. We have a soil test. So we are going to apply more of nitrogen, that is 20, and then PK. P and K will be 10 and 10, depending on the available fertilizer.
We are
Yes,
focusing on this one now.
the workers are here. They are the field workers. They are discussing on where to start. As I told you, we are going to do
Let's maintain this field.
about 5 farm operations here. Yes, we are waiting for the container to use for the fertilizer.
Okay, you're going to plant by yourself
We're
now.
going to do
The
5
thing is it available?
operations
The materials?
here today. One, we are applying
Okay, you are not here
fertilizer.
before.
One,
Yeah, sorry.
we are
Okay, how do you yourself?
weeding.
Okay, okay.
Doing 2 types of weeding. We are going to do hand picking. Yes, they are here now. Want to open the fertilizer as a farm manager, showing other people how to do the application.
Okay, what am here with?
Yes, the fertilizer is open. Now we want to share fertilizer.
Just what am here before
Yeah,
you can pit
we
first.
can carry it and move around the field. As I said, the operations we are going to do here today will be about 5
Work is
of
going on.
them. We are going to do fertilizer application. Yes, we are going to do weeding. Yes, we are picking the weed by hand and also hoeing upwards to guide the
We are
base.
going to
From what
apply
we
the
saw
fertilizer
here,
by broadcasting method. We are going to use broadcasting method for the fertilizer application. I'm going to show you how we broadcast. Please just wait as I show you. 001. I greet you.
as I said, just hold on as I show you how we broadcast. Just keep watching, follow the video to where we are going to start the broadcasting method. We'll also show you how the hoeing upwards is done, and you still see where the field workers are picking the grass from inside the ginger bed. They are still waiting for others to arrive before the work. That is how we do the work. We do the work together. It's not an individual work, it's a group work to make sure before the end of the day we are going to achieve the aim of coming here to do the 5 operations within fertilizer application. Remulching, we are going to remulch also so that the water wash down some of the mulch that we applied with sawdust. So we want to, now that we have matured Panicum maximum, we decided to mulch since it's available. There is no scarcity any longer. The rains are here, they have matured, so we are going to remulch using Panicum maximum so that the field will be as beautiful as anything. I will also show you the field after we have done the 5 operations. so that you will see how beautiful the field has looked. Also, in this video, I will also show you our pre-subsequent video, the new dryer that we just now. You can see the bags are here, so we are trying to divide the fertilizer into carryable quantity to enable us move it around the food while doing the broadcasting. Just pay attention and see what the people over there are doing. I'm the one carrying the
We
bag.
want to
Yes,
start
you can see
the
I'm
fertilizer
coming
application,
up to start the
as I told you,
application
by
broadcast.
broadcasting method. This way, just carry the fertilizer and broadcast it on the bed this way. Before you know it, the rain will come and the thing will just
Yes, the work has started in earnest. This is mainly the fertilizer application. The workers are still there. The field workers who are going to start the hand picking. The manager is telling them or advising them on how to start the hand picking, while other people are applying the fertilizer by broadcasting. Yes, you can see the work going on. That's how we roll. Then yes, the fertilizer is going on. I want to complete this application today, and then we now pick the grasses as here has been picked. This place has been picked. Then we now continue by going upwards. I will still show you how the going upwards is done. You will still watch where we go upwards. The fertilizer application is continuing. Just watch how we are trying to get all the stands. Yes, don't bother. The mulch are there to hold the fertilizer from falling away, falling down, as in the being washed by the rain. Yes. Just follow the broadcasting method as we do it, that you learn how to do yours in your field to actually maximize both fertilizer availability that are available, and then
Good morning.
being able to maximize yield. That is what we are seeing in this field. Watch how this is done. The field workers are still, you can see other people cutting material for mulching. Yes, up there on the video. Yes, I told you we're going to do about 5 operations here today. I have mentioned them. These people are they are already making beds. Yes, bed making is also another operation we're doing today, because we are going to plant a new experiment. This experiment, the previous one I showed you in the previous video, was to multiply ginger using two sizes, 10 grams and 20 grams. But in this trial today, we are going to show you also multiplication of ginger using different nodes. We have 4 treatments here. We have 1 node, 2 node, 3 node, and 4 node. So we're still going to show you this in the video. Either this video or the next video that will land, you will see what to call 1, 2, and 3 nodes.
Yes, hold
Just to multiply ginger because of the high cost of ginger. So we have to find a way to help farmers on how to do these multiplications. Yes, the laser application continues. Very soon the women will start the hand picking of the weed from the base. Yes, some of them have started already. Yes, they have been taught on how to how to go about it. They have started the hand picking of the weed. After the hand picking, it will be followed by the hoeing upwards. We are going to use spade to handle this so that the soil or the sand will be well arranged on the bed, and for the bed to have a good shape. And you can see the broadcasting also continue while the ladies are doing the hand picking. They will still help the field workers to continue the guiding, that is the hoeing upwards using spade in this case. So the fertilizer application is the most important thing because we notice that the ginger plants are lacking nutrients, so we want to get this fast. So the hoeing upwards will also help to cover the fertilizer from volatilizing. When you leave it like this, it will just volatilize. So we want to avoid it volatilizing.
Yes, I need it
by
up.
using the sand to cover.
Of course now.
Then we'll now
I got walk. But what here na
speed.
let them pick the grass, but we must eaten up.
Was done and how
Let them pick out the grass, but
after the
we must eaten up.
Operation. Continue watching and see how this is done. You will see it at the end of the whole. I want just you to follow and see how this and how easy. Only about 2 persons here. You can see the mulching materials coming. The ladies are bringing the
work is going
materials. You can see how even young ladies, carrying the mulch material. The work in ginger is not as tedious as we think, but the money spinning is what matters. At the end of the day,
madam, I know.
It's not how difficult, but how well what you have gotten at the end of the day. This is the ginger plant. Next video, I will zoom the pictures so to see how beautiful the ginger is looking. The fertilizer application is still going on. That is how we roll. As we apply, others are picking the grass, others are packing the panicum matured one and that, because we didn't want to use the soft ones that will easily rot. Yes, so we go ahead and use the matured one to do this work. The hand picking is here going on. After the hand picking, the field will now be a little bit clean. We'll now get the soil from the furrow and pack on the ridges. Yes, the fertilizer application is still ongoing. That is the chief, I would not say the main work, because other works, other operations here are also important. So we'll not say only fertilizer, because if you don't combine these 5 operations, it look as if you did not do anything. So the operations are going to be done simultaneously. Yes, the fertilizer application, the weeding, that is the 2 within the hand picking and the hoeing upwards. Then we are going to mulch. After the mulching, we will now go and plant a new trial and also mulch the trial. That's the work that is going on here. Just pay attention and watch the workers, the field workers, do the work diligently. And at the end of the day, the aim will be achieved. You will see more of this as they are doing it. That's the manager of the field of there, showing the workers for a new experiment that is coming up. This is the worker, the field worker, trying to pick the
Do
weeds
broadcasting.
from the base. These are for the matching the base, while others are still doing the fertilizer. Okay, you can see up there somebody using the spade to hoe upwards. The video will come to that you will see it clearly. Just hold on, you're going to see how that is being done.
The work is going on. People are picking the weeds. Afterwards, we are going to use hoe to hold the base upwards for balancing, so that water will not be backing out the fertilizer applied.
Yes, after the application, somebody is still applying. The ones that has finished their application, has completed, are washing their hands. We have a nearby dam where one can go and wash and just fetch water and wash, and we'll show you that. We'll show you the video, but the main thing is for you to follow on the application. Don't be distracted. Just stay focused and watch
Pastor,
how the fertilizer application
I can
is
see.
done and is
Well done, well done, well done.
completed.
Helpful. That's not correct though. It's not good. It's not good of them.